guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are not joining us for the very first time, and for those who are joining us for the first time, you're most welcome. In today's tutorial, we'll be making this face mask with chitenge on the outside and satin on the inside on the part that touches your nose. All you will need to do is to print out the pattern from the website, which I'll link in the description down below. Please keep watching for the easiest tutorial on how to make a face mask. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, like, subscribe and share. For this tutorial, I'll be using material that was left over from the satin bonnet which I made. I'll link the video in the description down below. We'll be needing this blue satin material. We'll be needing chitenge material, elastic band, bobby pins, scissors, paper scissors, and the pattern paper, which I got from Daisy Multifaceted website, which I'll link in the description down below. The website has different sizes of masks from small, medium, large for adults and for kids. For this tutorial, we'll be using the adult large size pattern. When cutting the paper, I included a 0.5 inches allowance, which will be my sewing allowance. Once this is done, pin down your pattern paper on the material as you can see in the video. This is to secure your paper and your material so that it's not moving when you're cutting. Do the same for the chitenge material as well, as you can see in the video. Once that is done, take your material to the sewing machine and sew around the curved edges as I'm showing you in the video. Put the two pieces of material together, the right sides facing each other with the sewn edges facing you. sew along the edges as you can see in the video. Fold in both edges of the mask as you can see in the video and iron. This is the part where you will insert your elastic band. Insert the edges of your elastic band into the mask opening as you can see below, making sure they are secure before pinning them down. Sew all along the edges of your mask as you can see in the video to secure your elastic band as well as give your mask a neat finishing. So guys, we have come to the end of this tutorial. This is our final product, a mask. Very easy and simple. Please do give it a try. Tag me in your videos and your pictures. Thank you so much for watching, and please do subscribe and stay safe in this COVID time.